Good morning, it's Mrs. McMillan. Today we're going to work on another morning message, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first part of our morning message, we have our sentence where we need the day of the week. I've already included the date. So let's review those days of the week. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now yesterday was Thursday. That means today is Friday. So we're going to go ahead and write the word Friday. And I need to make sure that I include the capital letter. Friday begins with an F. Do you remember why I had to use a capital F? Yes, you are correct. It's the name of a special word, and we always begin special words or names with capital letters. So there's our comma, taking a breath. And here is today's date. We have the month, the number, and the year. May 8th, 2020. So let's read our sentence. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. All right, our last part of our morning message is going to, again, be reading this big word. Do you remember what this word is? Oh, I see a small word in there, the word to. So we have tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow will be, do you know what tomorrow will be? Remember, today is Friday. So the next day, or tomorrow, is Saturday. So let's go ahead and write Saturday. And we're going to start with that capital letter, the S, sat. Oh, look, there's the word sat in Saturday. Saturday. All right, so tomorrow will be Saturday, and I'm telling you that, so that's why my sentence ends with a period. All right, let's look at our activity for today. Remember how we made a list the other day? I love to make lists, and I think today we're going to make a list using this. Do you remember what this is called? That's a circle. And then we have a smaller circle and a boy holding a big pencil. This is called a circle map. And a circle map can help us make a list of things with either pictures or words, or pictures and words. This circle map is a great way to get our ideas from our brain onto the paper. And it helps us when we're going to be writing about a topic. So let's see what our topic is for our list today. It says, let's think of some tools we use at school. Do you remember what tools are? Tools are things that you use to get a job done. Now, tools are not toys. Toys are things that we use to play with. But a tool helps us complete a job. So if we look at the very first tool that I see here, there's a picture of the boy. Remember, he was holding a pencil. So here's a pencil that I sometimes use to do my writing. So I'm going to just draw a picture of a pencil right there. And then I'm going to try to label it by writing the word pencil next to the picture of the pencil. So pen, pencil. Is that soft C, pencil. So one tool that we use often at school is a pencil. All right, let's see. Can you think of any other tools? Oh, these are some tools that I like to use when I am drawing or coloring the pictures that I've drawn. Add details. Let's see. This is the word crayons. Crayons, look at all those beautiful crayons. There are 24 crayons inside this box. So that's nice. The word crayons is already written for me, so I don't have to sound it out. I can just copy the word crayon. So here's a crayon that I have. And then I'm just going to write the word crayons. They have the word crayons, all the letters in capitals, but I'm going to not do that. I'm going to make my lowercase letters. So crayons. Crayons. All right. Do you remember what this tool is? It's a glue stick. And if I look here, I can find the word glue. It says school glue sticks. I'm just going to write the word glue. And look, there it is right there, Glue. So let's draw the glue stick here as the top and a little part here. Okay, and I'm gonna write the word glue, G-L-U-E. So far the schools that we have, or the school tools we have are pencil, crayons, and glue. And remember, your circle map is a great way to get your ideas from your brain onto the paper when you want to write about something. So I drew the picture and then I labeled it with the word. Let's see. Oh, these tools are very handy. These are grown-up scissors. They're a little bit sharper, so you have to be very careful with them, but scissors help us cut paper. So let's see if we can draw some scissors. That's kind of a tricky thing to draw, but I'm trying my best. So I have scissors. Scissors is a weird word. I'm just going to spell it for you. It's got an S and a C there. Scissors. And we only use scissors to cut paper. We don't cut clothes or hair at school, so be careful with that. All right, what about this? Do you know what this is called? I have a little one that I use here to staple things together. So it's called a stapler. And I'm not sure if I can draw it, but I can try. So let's draw the top part of the stapler, this part that holds the staples, and then the bottom part. So let's see if we can label stapler. There's stapler. Stapler. And if you see right there, it has the little staple that comes out. But a stapler is a tool that can keep papers together. And that reminds me of another tool that keeps papers together. Do you know what this is called? It's called a paper clip. So let's try to draw the paper clip here. It's just like that. And then paper clip. We have paper. Paper. And then the second part of that word is clip. Clip. So paper clips and staplers are used to hold things together. Kind of like this. Do you know what that is called? It is called tape. And we can use tape to keep things together too. So I'm going to try to draw the tape right here. Let's look at the object and try my best. So let's see, it goes around like that. All right, and then I'm going to label the word tape. Ape. Look, it's got that silent E making A say A. And then I found these. I love to use these. I use them every day when I'm writing the morning message. They are markers. Markers. So I'm going to draw a picture of a marker. And there's the top to it. Make mine a blue marker. And then I'm going to just copy the word markers. And if you notice here, the word marker is in all capital letters. I'm not going to write them in capital. I'm going to do lowercase. So marker. M-A-R-K-E-R. Marker. All right, so let's review on my circle map a list of tools we use at school. So let's start here with pencil, glue, stapler, tape, marker, scissors, crayons, paper clip. And I have another tool that I used to use at school when I was a little girl. You might not know what this is called, but it is something that helps you when you are working with numbers and math. It's called do you know what it's called? It's called a calculator. And a calculator, I can actually use the numbers and these symbols like plus, minus. This is multiplication, the time symbol. And then there's the division symbol. So let's see, I'm going to turn it on. And if you look up here, I can see where the numbers are. Let's add 5 plus 5. Watch this. Oh, and that's equals. So 5 plus 5 equals, you got it, 10. And then if you want to clear it, you just push that button. So before iPads were invented, when I was a little girl in school, I used a calculator to help me with my schoolwork. So that's another tool. I don't think we have room to add it to my circle map, but I wanted to share with you something that I used when I was little. So this list of school tools can help us maybe write sentences about how we use school tools to get our work done. We might want to write a story about using school tools to create a project. Let's look at our last part of our activity today, and it's got a question, actually 2 questions. It says, the first question is saying, what is your favorite school tool? And there's our question mark. But then it asks us a second question, why? So I'm going to tell you what my favorite school tool is, and I'm going to tell you why it is. My favorite school tool is the crayon. I like crayons because they help me add colorful details to my drawings. Think about what your favorite school tool is. Tell a friend, a family member. Maybe you can even write me 1 or 2 sentences and share it with me on your Class Dojo or on Google Classroom or your Padlet for your teacher. I'd love to hear what your favorite school tool is and why it's your favorite. I hope you have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.